What's up, YouTube? What's up again, YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Just had a bit of a fumble there. But welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can earn money using this particular website. This website allows you to hire people to get jobs done for you, so you can save your time and money, because with freelancing, if you have someone else to do the job for you who's a freelancer, you don't need to pay them any insurance, you don't need to pay for any health coverage, you don't need to have someone at your office working, running up your light bill or your phone bill or any bill for that matter. The only thing they do, or the only thing you pay for, is the job that they do, and that's it. So in this particular site, if you're looking to hire someone, on the home page you just click I want to hire. If you want to do work, you just click I want to work. Easy peasy, right? So what kind of work can you get done on this website? Literally, you can get anything you want done. There are experts that represent virtually every technical, even if it's not something technical, pretty much every area, from the artsy side to the most technical scientific side. There's someone there who can do something, whether it be a designer, software engineer, mechanical engineer. There's people around who want to work, and if you want to hire somebody, and if you have some of those skills, you can actually sell your services for a tidy sum of money, right? So it says here that you can do small jobs, large jobs, and anything in between, or as the saying goes, from a pin to an anchor. Jobs that are one fixed price or hourly terms, you can get anyone to work anywhere in between, or maybe even both. Maybe you could pay someone per hour up to a point, and then once the job is done, you give them a lump sum of money. You never know, you could work something out. Work that requires specific skill sets, cost, or scheduling requirements. So this site allows a lot of people to hire a freelancer to get their job done, or you could become a freelancer. Now, if you're asking, everyone knows about Upwork, everyone knows about Fiverr. What's freelancer.com? Well, freelancer.com was started or founded in 2009 in Sydney, Australia, by Matt Barry. I think that's how you pronounce it, Barry, right? And as I mentioned before, it is in league with Upwork. I said Fiverr, and sites like People Per Hour and Guru.com. Okay, so it's been around for a while. What's that? 11 years? Yeah, it's been around 11 years. They've done really well for themselves. They've carved out a space in the freelancing market, and they're actually doing really well right now, to be honest. So there are a ton of people. If you find that Upwork is a bit too competitive, which I found it to be at times, because there's so many people on there vying for jobs. They've used up their tokens, and they're just so, they have people with memberships who can see how many people have applied for a particular job, what their skill sets are like, and they've tweaked their application to get the best return. So yeah, there's a lot of people on there who are very competitive, and so they've probably transitioned to other websites like freelancer.com to see if they could have an easier time. And in a sense, they have. Ultimately, everybody's going to be looking on every platform, but there are many people who have become skillful at one particular platform, and you can become that skilled person on freelancer.com. So if you're a writer, an enthusiast about something, you have a skill to share, you know something about something, you're not necessarily an expert, but you know quite a bit more than the average person, you could sell your service and your knowledge on freelancer.com and earn a pretty penny. Now, as it said before, you could earn hourly or a flat rate. You set your own rate, so you don't have anyone dictating how much you earn. The only person who does that is you. So you become your own boss. You decide how much you want to earn, how much you want to work. So here are some examples of jobs. Right, this is a designer who designed 3 Apple phones, and they did this for $200. 3D photorealistic architectural visualizations, $500. So anyone who wants to redecorate their room and they want to see what the room will look like, they can have a rendering done to do just that, to see exactly how their room will look before it's even done. $500. Blueberry app design, $1,000. Design sublimation shirt for your brand, $60. Box design for male grooming products. So if you have a product that's coming out and you want someone to design what the box will look like the printing on the box or the layout, $400, and they'll do that. Design a car wrap advertisement on the BMW i3 vehicle, $220. You name it, it's there. Sell your service or purchase a service. I think freelancer.com is a viable site to check. So that's freelancer, freelancer.com. You could do quite a bit. So when you head to the top, there's a button that says sign up. Click sign up. You can either sign up with Facebook, or your email address. Click join freelancer.com, and that's it. It's not like Upwork where you have to be in a particular niche and submit your expertise level and all that jazz to get accepted. You sign up, that's it. So check it out, guys. Freelancer.com, freelancer.com. I'll probably do a follow-up video to show you what success people have had, whether as a buyer or a seller of services, and I'll let you know. But guys, if you like the content I've shared today, if freelancer.com sounds like something you would try, like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos very regularly, and one of these videos could turn your life around. Additionally, if you don't want to sell your time, there are links below that teach you how to build your own online business. That doesn't include you sitting at the computer doing the work. Yes, there's some initial work, but for the most part, you'll be spending maybe an hour or 2 per day, if that much, to build this online business that will generate money even when you're sleeping. Check out the links below, hit the like button, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for staying tuned, and I'll see you guys later. Stay safe, stay healthy.